Hey, Andy Stauffer here again. We're framing a subfloor here on one of our homes in Black Forest, Colorado, and since things are open to the elements at this point, not yet buttoned up, I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you a few of the building components in a floor system. So what we're looking at here is this is a i-joist floor system by Boise Cascade. It's all 11/7/8 tall. The heights of the joist comes in 11/7/8, 14, 16, 18, and I think they go all the way up to maybe 20, 24 inches. We're typically using 11/7/8 to 14 inch. A few of the parts and pieces you see here, this is a rim joist. It's an oriented strand board material. Right next to that, a lot of times when we're working with beam systems in a floor or in a roof, we're using what's called a laminated veneer lumber. This product specifically with Boise Cascade is called a VersaLam. Another manufacturer we use a lot is Truss Joist Macmillan. They call it a microlam. At any rate, what we'll do with these is we'll typically gang them up in either single or double or triple or quad applications, and you put them together and we can build stair holes out of it like we have here. We'll use them for stair stringers. You can use them in a roof application for beams, hips, valleys, rafters, that sort of thing. So what I'll do is I'll adjust the camera here and I'll show you another application, which is these the actual floor joists themselves. And so here we have a cantilevered floor system over a portion of this, and these are the i-joists themselves. They'll make them in various span capacities, which generally be a function of how wide they are. So the narrowest will be about 1.5 inches, then they bump up to 1.75 inches, 2 5/16, and so forth. What a great product. This has replaced 2x material in the olden days, so to speak, where joists and floor systems would be out of 2x8, 2x10, 2x12, which is a milled product versus an engineered product like this. So a lot of versatility. We can get these off the truck at probably about 60-foot lengths, and it gives us a lot of versatility. You can drill through them for ductwork, for plumbing, for electrical, and it's how we do things these days. So here I'm taking another shot really of our whole floor system. This is probably about a 1,600 square foot subfloor here, and what we've done is we've got full height concrete foundation walls here. What I'm looking on just the other side of this is the basement, and what we'll do typically is the foundation itself will have an embed plate in the very top of it. That's a insect resistant, rot resistant plate that my foundation guys will set right into the formwork. On top of that, we'll use pressure treated material to plate on top of that. You can't see it here, but there's actually a foam product that's sandwiched between these two, which acts as an insect barrier, vapor barrier. And then on top of that, we just wanted to get a little more height in our basement, so we doubled up this plate here with another hem fir plate. So this is the top of my floor framing system. Again, these are 11/7/8 BCI i-joists. And there you go. One thing that you'll see here is this is my outside patio, and this is the top of my floor. So what we try and do from an aging in place strategy in our design is make it to where we don't have steps between your main level living and stepping out into your outdoor patios or into your garage. And so I'll show you in a little bit here over in the garage section how nice to be able to just pull in your garage, go straight into your main level without stepping up to it. So that's a strategy that we employ often. So what we're looking at here is this is just typically what we're doing our floors out of. So this is what we'll call our subfloor sheathing. This is a 3/4 inch product, comes in 4x8 sheets, has a tongue and groove product. This has largely replaced plywood in the industry. It's got all the appropriate deflection coefficients and span capabilities that plywood has. Just about 1-for-1, I believe. And it's a more stable product. So basically we glue and we nail or screw this down, and the tongue goes right into the groove there, and this is how we're doing all of our subfloors.